How to use a multimeter to test your Samsung dryer thermal cutoff fuse. If this fuse is bad, then your dryer will run but not heat. You'll need a multimeter that can test for continuity and or ohms of resistance. For continuity, your multimeter might have either one of these symbols. For ohms of resistance, this is the symbol. If you put your multimeter on continuity, then when you touch each end of the leads together, you'll get a beeping noise. To test the thermal fuse, you put each end of the lead to each end of the terminals. It does not matter which lead goes to which terminal. If you get a beeping noise, then it's good. If you do not get a beeping noise, then the thermal fuse is bad and will need to be replaced. For ohms of resistance, if you have multiple settings, you'll want to pick the lowest one. You'll know you're on the right setting when you touch each end of the lead together and you get some sort of reading on the screen. The number doesn't matter for this example. You touch each end of the leads to each end of the terminals, and if you get any sort of reading, including the number 0, then your fuse is good. If you do not get any sort of reading, or it says OL for open lead, then your thermal fuse is bad and will need to be replaced. There will be a link in the description below to buy the thermal fuse, and also a link for any other further questions you might have.